BYD, the Chinese automotive powerhouse taking on Tesla with cars priced as low as $10,000, is preparing to unveil a breakthrough that could completely transform the auto industry. In 2025, the company is set to introduce a next-generation engine designed to surpass anything currently on the market. This isn't just another electric vehicle innovation, it's a technological leap that could redefine the future of driving. So what makes this new engine so revolutionary? And how exactly could it reshape the automotive world? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about BYD's bold new move and why car enthusiasts and industry experts alike are already buzzing with excitement. Buckle up, because the EV landscape may never be the same again. From battery maker to global EV leader, BYD's rise to global prominence is nothing short of extraordinary. Founded in 1995 in Shenzhen, China, BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, didn't begin as a car company. It started as a rechargeable battery manufacturer. But from the very beginning, it was clear the company had much bigger ambitions. In 2003, just 8 years after its founding, BYD launched its first vehicle, the F3, a compact, affordable, and fuel-efficient sedan that quickly gained popularity in China's growing automotive market. The world began to take notice. The real turning point came in 2008 with the launch of the F3DM, one of the world's first mass-produced plug-in hybrid vehicles. This milestone didn't just change BYD's trajectory, it signaled a shift in the global automotive industry. The F3DM laid the foundation for BYD's future dominance in electric mobility. Today, BYD is not only leading the Chinese EV market, but is rapidly expanding worldwide, positioning itself as a serious competitor to long-established giants like Tesla and Toyota. Through relentless innovation and a strong commitment to sustainability, BYD has evolved into a vertically integrated powerhouse, designing and producing everything from batteries to complete powertrains in-house. With each new release, the company continues pushing the limits of what's possible. And now, its latest advancement could turn the entire EV industry upside down. The fifth-generation hybrid powertrain. At the center of this revolution is BYD's fifth-generation DM plug-in hybrid powertrain, and it's not just an incremental improvement. It's a major leap forward. With an unprecedented thermal efficiency of 46.6% and fuel consumption as low as 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers, among the lowest in the world, this powertrain sets a new benchmark for the industry. How did BYD achieve such remarkable numbers? By mastering the balance between efficiency and performance. The new system doesn't just conserve energy, it delivers exceptional power and extended driving range that outperforms nearly every hybrid currently available. In fact, vehicles like the N8L DMI and Seal 06 DMI can achieve a combined range of over 2,000 kilometers on a single charge and full tank. Something that once seemed impossible for hybrid vehicles. For the first time, hybrids are not merely competing with fully electric cars. In some areas, they may even surpass them. One of BYD's biggest strengths is its full control over both battery and powertrain development. This tight integration allows for maximum efficiency, minimal energy waste, and a smoother driving experience. The fifth-generation system also comes in multiple configurations: DMI for efficient everyday driving, DMP for performance-focused drivers, DMO for off-road capability. Whether you're commuting in the city, craving high performance, or exploring rugged terrain, BYD has tailored its technology to fit different lifestyles and needs. By seamlessly integrating advanced battery technology with an optimized powertrain, BYD ensures that more of the engine's energy goes directly toward moving the vehicle rather than being lost as heat. The result is a system that enhances both performance and sustainability. setting a new standard the rest of the industry will struggle to match. The future of driving may not be purely electric after all. It may be smarter, more efficient, and more versatile than ever before. And BYD is determined to lead the way. It's not just electric, it's hybrid. And with BYD's new engine technology, that future has officially arrived. What we're seeing isn't a small upgrade. It's a major shift that could change everything we thought we knew about hybrid vehicles. How BYD's engine outperforms the competition. BYD's latest engine technology isn't just impressive, it's record-breaking. Compared to traditional hybrid systems, BYD's fifth-generation DM engine delivers a level of efficiency and performance that competitors are struggling to match. With an astonishing thermal efficiency of 46.6%, this engine significantly exceeds the industry average. To put that into perspective, most hybrid systems from brands like Toyota and Honda operate at around 41% efficiency. That jump from 41% to 46.6% may sound small, but in engineering terms, it's a massive leap forward. Fuel consumption is equally groundbreaking. At just 2.9 liters per 100 kilometers, BYD's system ranks among the most efficient in the world. For drivers, that means fewer fuel stops, lower running costs, and reduced emissions. A win for both your wallet and the environment, and the benefits don't stop there. BYD is also redefining what's possible in terms of hybrid range. Some of its latest models can travel over 2,000 kilometers on a full charge and tank combined. Most hybrids on the market today struggle to reach 1,000 kilometers under similar conditions. That extra range could mean the difference between a seamless cross-country road trip and inconvenient fuel stops along the way. But this innovation goes beyond numbers. It changes the way we think about hybrids altogether. Drivers no longer have to choose between performance and sustainability. With BYD's new system, you get both: strong power delivery, exceptional efficiency, and extended range in one integrated package. In short, if you think hybrid technology has already peaked, think again. BYD is rewriting the rulebook, and competitors are being forced to catch up. BYD's strategy to overtake Tesla by 2026. BYD's rise has been nothing short of explosive, and the company isn't slowing down. By 2026, BYD aims to rank among the top 5 automakers in the world, with ambitions to surpass Tesla in both sales volume and market share. So how does BYD plan to pull that off? The key lies in accessibility. While Tesla focuses largely on premium-priced vehicles, BYD is targeting a broader audience by delivering high-performance electric and hybrid vehicles at far more affordable price points. Models like the Chin-L DMI and Seal 06 DMI are already gaining attention for their blend of efficiency, technology, and value. At the same time, BYD's compact Seagull EV has generated enormous buzz thanks to its extremely competitive pricing and strong feature set. This strategy, combining affordability, innovation, and performance, allows BYD to compete directly with established brands, including Tesla, on multiple fronts. The Chinese EV market is expanding rapidly, and BYD is perfectly positioned to capitalize on that growth. But the company's ambitions don't stop at home. It's expanding aggressively into Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, steadily building a global presence. With EV demand increasing worldwide, BYD's multi-pronged approach, offering both fully electric and advanced hybrid solutions, gives it access to a wider customer base than many competitors. If current trends continue, the possibility of BYD overtaking Tesla by 2026 is no longer far-fetched. The industry could be heading toward one of the biggest shakeups in automotive history. How BYD is changing the EV pricing game. One of the biggest obstacles to widespread EV adoption has always been price. While Tesla vehicles are innovative and high-performing, their cost puts them out of reach for many buyers. BYD is tackling that issue head-on. By focusing on cost efficiency without compromising technology or quality, the company is producing electric vehicles that are significantly more affordable while still offering impressive features and range. Take the Seagull EV, for example. It's priced dramatically lower than many competing EVs, yet it still offers modern technology, practical driving range, and smart design. The response from the market has been overwhelming, with massive pre-order numbers shortly after launch. This aggressive pricing strategy doesn't just challenge Tesla, it challenges the entire automotive industry, including traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. But affordability doesn't mean basic. Even at its lower price point, the Seagull comes packed with features and personality. It may be compact and budget-friendly, but it's bold, capable, and designed to compete far above its weight class. BYD's message is clear. Electric mobility shouldn't be a luxury. It should be accessible to everyone. And if the company continues on its current trajectory, the global EV market may soon look very different from what we see today. From a large 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen to advanced driver assistance systems, BYD is proving that affordability doesn't mean compromise. Buyers who want a budget-friendly EV without giving up performance or modern technology are finally getting a real option. BYD is opening the door to electric mobility for an entirely new group of consumers. And judging by the overwhelming response to the Seagull, it's clear that this strategy is striking a chord worldwide. The company is setting a new benchmark for affordable electric vehicles. By offering lower prices combined with impressive features, BYD is delivering more value than many established competitors. As global demand for reasonably priced EVs continues to rise, BYD is perfectly positioned to lead the charge and disrupt the market in a big way. If you think electric vehicles are still too expensive, think again. BYD is reshaping the conversation with high-quality, feature-packed EVs that challenge even the biggest names in the industry, breaking the EV range barrier. The 2,000-kilometer game changer. One of the most common concerns about electric vehicles has always been range anxiety, the fear of running out of power before reaching your destination. For many drivers, especially those considering long road trips, limited charging infrastructure can feel like a major drawback. BYD is eliminating that concern with its latest hybrid Powertrain, capable of delivering an astonishing 2,000 kilometers of combined range on a full tank and charge. Yes, 2,000 kilometers, enough to travel across vast distances without constantly worrying about recharging or refueling. This isn't just marketing hype. It's real-world capability available in models like the N8L DMI and the Seal 06 DMI. Early feedback suggests these vehicles aren't just handling long journeys they're excelling at them. Drivers can cover extended distances with confidence, making road trips and cross-country travel far more convenient. So how did BYD achieve this milestone? The answer lies in the seamless integration of its hybrid system, which perfectly balances a highly efficient internal combustion engine with an advanced electric motor. This combination maximizes fuel efficiency while dramatically extending range. When you compare that to many fully electric vehicles that average around 400 to 500 kilometers per charge, BYD's figures stand out. By pairing cutting-edge battery technology with its fifth-generation hybrid Powertrain, the company has created a system that allows drivers to travel farther while using less fuel. For consumers who have hesitated to switch due to range limitations, this could be the tipping point. And with fuel prices fluctuating globally, the appeal of a 2,000-kilometer range becomes even stronger. Beyond the impressive numbers, this innovation could redefine industry standards. BYD's new Powertrain offers a balance of efficiency and performance that traditional gasoline vehicles and many EVs have struggled to achieve simultaneously. Long-distance travel without range anxiety isn't science fiction anymore. It's becoming a practical reality. BYD's rapid global expansion. Is Tesla at risk? As the global EV market becomes more competitive, BYD is emerging as one of the most powerful forces in the industry. With surging sales and an ambitious international growth strategy, the company is climbing the global rankings at an impressive pace. In 2024 alone, BYD sold over 1 million vehicles and captured a significant share of the global EV market. And the momentum shows no signs of slowing down. BYD's formula, combining affordability, quality, and performance, is resonating with a wide spectrum of consumers worldwide. While Tesla has long been associated with premium electric vehicles, BYD has built its reputation on delivering high-performance electric and hybrid cars that are far more accessible in price. This ability to produce reliable, affordable vehicles at scale has allowed BYD to gain ground rapidly. The company is expanding aggressively into Europe, Southeast Asia, and Latin America, and is increasingly eyeing markets traditionally dominated by Western automakers. Today, BYD operates in more than 60 countries, steadily growing its global footprint. Its commitment to sustainable transportation without the premium price tag is attracting buyers who want environmentally friendly options without stretching their budgets. At the same time, competition in the EV industry is intensifying. Chinese automakers, led by BYD, are producing some of the most efficient and cost-effective vehicles available, challenging long-established players. The rise of BYD isn't just a challenge to Tesla. It's a sign that the electric vehicle industry is entering a new phase, one defined by broader competition, rapid innovation, and increased accessibility. The global EV landscape is shifting, and BYD is right at the center of that transformation. BYD is now going head-to-head with long-established automotive giants like Volkswagen and BMW. As Tesla faces mounting global competition, it's becoming increasingly clear that BYD is positioning itself as a serious challenger to Tesla's dominance in the EV space. With sales climbing steadily and international expansion accelerating, the race for electric vehicle supremacy is only just beginning. The competition is heating up, and the next few years could redefine the global automotive hierarchy. The future of hybrid technology. How BYD is redefining efficiency. Hybrid vehicles have traditionally been viewed as a stepping stone between gasoline-powered cars and fully electric vehicles. But BYD is transforming that idea entirely. Its fifth-generation DM series hybrid powertrain isn't just an upgrade. It's a reinvention of hybrid technology. By reaching an industry-leading thermal efficiency of 46.6%, BYD has raised the bar for what hybrid systems can achieve. The result? Vehicles that are more efficient, more powerful, and more environmentally friendly than ever before. But thermal efficiency is only part of the story. BYD's hybrid system is engineered to seamlessly integrate the internal combustion engine with the electric motor, ensuring they work together in perfect harmony. This intelligent coordination allows the vehicle to deliver maximum performance without sacrificing fuel economy. The outcome is a system that truly offers the best of both worlds: extended range, impressive fuel savings, and strong performance. It challenges the outdated belief that drivers must choose between power and efficiency. Even more importantly, this technology could reshape the broader automotive landscape. As governments around the world implement stricter emissions regulations, advanced hybrids like BYD's provide a practical and appealing alternative for drivers who aren't ready to transition to fully electric vehicles. With a potential driving range of up to 2,000 kilometers, BYD's hybrid approach changes expectations. It also opens new doors for automakers looking to produce cleaner vehicles without completely redesigning their existing platforms. BYD's hybrid solutions are adaptable across various vehicle types, from compact sedans to SUVs and even performance-oriented models. By making hybrid technology more efficient and widely accessible, BYD is paving the way for a future where hybrids may become a dominant force in the global auto market. The next generation of hybrid vehicles isn't coming. It's already here. Beyond the engine, BYD's next-level battery technology. When discussing the future of electric and hybrid vehicles, one element stands above the rest: battery technology. The success of any EV ultimately depends on how powerful, safe, and efficient its battery system is. And this is where BYD truly stands out. At the center of this innovation is the Blade battery. Designed with safety, durability, and efficiency in mind, BYD's Blade battery represents a major leap forward in energy storage. One of its most impressive demonstrations is the nail penetration test, a rigorous safety assessment that shows how resistant the battery is to overheating and fire, even under extreme stress. But safety is only part of what makes this technology special. The Blade battery also offers high energy density, enabling longer driving ranges and faster charging times. This helps make BYD's electric and hybrid vehicles some of the most efficient options available today. Another key advantage is vertical integration. BYD controls nearly every stage of the battery production process, from sourcing raw materials to final manufacturing. This level of oversight allows the company to maintain strict quality control while also managing costs effectively. The result is reliable, long-lasting batteries with a reduced environmental footprint. Thermal stability is another major breakthrough. Traditional lithium-ion batteries can struggle with extreme temperatures, but BYD has engineered its Blade battery to maintain consistent performance in a wide range of climates. Whether in scorching heat or freezing cold, the battery is designed to operate safely and efficiently. Perhaps most importantly, this advanced battery technology isn't reserved for luxury models. BYD has integrated the Blade battery across its lineup, making high-level safety, range, and charging performance accessible to everyday drivers. With innovations like this, BYD isn't just manufacturing vehicles, it's shaping the future of energy storage and sustainable mobility. And if current trends continue, the company's influence on the global EV industry is only going to grow stronger. Could BYD really be the company that reshapes the EV industry? While many automakers focus on premium pricing for their electric vehicles, BYD has taken a completely different path. Instead of targeting only high-end buyers, the company delivers high-tech, high-performance EVs at remarkably affordable prices. So how does BYD manage to keep costs low while still producing advanced, feature-packed vehicles? The answer lies in its vertical integration strategy. BYD controls nearly every stage of production, from battery manufacturing to electric motors and key components. By handling so much in-house, the company significantly reduces costs and passes those savings directly to consumers. But this strategy isn't about being cheap. It's about delivering exceptional value. Take the BYD Seagull as an example. With a starting price far below most electric vehicles on the market, it proves that affordability doesn't mean compromise. The Seagull comes equipped with a 10.1-inch rotating infotainment screen, modern connectivity features, advanced driver assistance systems, and a design that feels surprisingly premium for its price point. It's an ideal entry-level EV for buyers who want technology and style without overspending. The lower price tag isn't a reflection of lower quality. It highlights BYD's mission to make electric mobility accessible to a much broader audience. In fact, BYD isn't just competing with other EV manufacturers. It's challenging traditional gasoline-powered vehicles as well. When consumers compare fuel costs, maintenance expenses, and long-term savings, the financial advantage becomes clear. Thanks to efficient and cost-effective battery technology combined with large-scale in-house production, BYD has set a new standard for balancing affordability and quality. Its aggressive pricing model may even force other automakers to rethink their strategies. If you've been waiting for an electric vehicle that won't strain your budget, BYD is proving that the future of driving doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. Why BYD's global expansion could challenge Tesla's empire. BYD has never shied away from bold moves, but its international expansion strategy may be its most ambitious yet. With rapid growth across Europe, Latin America, and Southeast Asia, the company is establishing a powerful global presence. In several markets, BYD has already surpassed Tesla in sales volume, and its increasingly competitive pricing is putting real pressure on established EV leaders. One key factor behind BYD's rise is its focus on mass-market vehicles. While Tesla has traditionally concentrated on the premium EV segment, BYD has targeted a much broader customer base with affordable, high-performance electric and hybrid models. But BYD's strategy goes far beyond passenger cars. The company is also a major player in electric buses and commercial vehicles. Its success in the electric bus market, particularly in China and Europe, has strengthened its position as a global leader in sustainable transportation. By supplying affordable electric buses to cities worldwide, BYD is helping reduce emissions and accelerate the transition away from traditional diesel fleets. This diversification gives BYD a competitive edge. While Tesla has made strides in various segments, BYD's strong foothold in commercial transportation and public transit adds another layer to its growth. Battery production is another major advantage. BYD operates one of the largest battery manufacturing divisions in the world. By controlling battery production internally, including its advanced blade battery technology, the company reduces costs, ensures supply stability, and maintains strict quality standards. As global demand for EV batteries continues to surge, this control over the supply chain provides BYD with a powerful strategic advantage, especially compared to competitors that rely more heavily on external suppliers. With expanding global reach, diverse product offerings, and a strong position in both passenger and commercial markets, BYD is emerging as a formidable competitor. Tesla's dominance is no longer untouchable. As demand for affordable electric vehicles continues to grow, BYD's upward trajectory suggests that the balance of power in the EV industry could shift dramatically in the coming years. And this transformation isn't just about performance or pricing. The stunning designs behind BYD's next-generation vehicles, beyond groundbreaking hybrid systems and aggressive pricing strategies, BYD is also turning heads with its vehicle designs. The company isn't just building practical and efficient cars, it's creating vehicles that look modern, dynamic, and premium. Sleek lines, futuristic interiors, and attention to detail are becoming defining traits of the BYD brand. In other words, affordability no longer means ordinary. BYD is proving that innovation, style, performance, and value can all exist in the same package, and that combination is reshaping the global automotive landscape. The N8L DMI and Seal 06 DMI showcase sleek aerodynamic styling that feels like it's straight out of the future, but BYD isn't focused on appearance alone. Every design choice also serves a functional purpose. The N8L DMI, for example, draws inspiration from traditional Chinese knot patterns, giving it a distinctive identity in the mid-size sedan segment. Its flowing curves and streamlined silhouette don't just make it visually striking, they also improve airflow, boosting overall efficiency and performance. Step inside, and BYD's commitment to innovation becomes even clearer. The Seal 06 DMI features a stunning 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen that acts as the centerpiece of the cabin. The interior embraces a modern, minimalist design, seamlessly integrating advanced technology into a clean and intuitive layout. The result is a driving experience that feels both futuristic and user-friendly. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. Soft-touch materials, leatherette seating, and generous legroom make the Seal 06 DMI spacious enough for 5 adults to travel comfortably. Every detail, from layout to materials, is thoughtfully designed to ensure the car isn't just beautiful to look at, but genuinely enjoyable to drive. On the outside, BYD's bold dragon face front-end styling, prominently featured on the Chin LDMI, gives the vehicle a confident and powerful road presence. At the rear, a sleek full-width light bar adds a modern touch while reinforcing the brand's forward-thinking design language. But these styling choices aren't purely aesthetic. The sculpted body and aerodynamic elements are carefully engineered to reduce drag and improve energy efficiency, blending form and function in a meaningful way. What's even more impressive is that BYD applies this same design philosophy across its entire lineup. Even the affordable Seagull EV features a fresh, contemporary look that stands out in its class. Whether it's a hybrid sedan or a budget-friendly hatchback, BYD is proving that style and substance can go hand in hand. With its focus on both advanced technology and striking design, it's no surprise that BYD is drawing attention from across the global automotive industry. If you're wondering what the future of car design looks like, it's sleek, confident, high-tech, and unmistakably BYD. BYD's vision for the future, the road ahead. As BYD continues gaining momentum in the EV market, its long-term vision is becoming increasingly clear. The company isn't just aiming to compete, it wants to lead the global shift toward sustainable mobility. In the coming years, BYD plans to further strengthen its position as a major global player. Its strategy centers on making electric vehicles more accessible through affordable pricing and breakthrough battery technology. By lowering barriers to entry, BYD hopes to accelerate EV adoption worldwide. But the company's ambitions go far beyond passenger cars. BYD is investing heavily in electric buses, commercial vehicles, and energy storage solutions, positioning itself as a key contributor to the broader clean energy transition. This diversified approach makes it more than just an automaker, it's becoming a comprehensive sustainable mobility and energy company. Looking ahead, BYD plans to expand its lineup with new models that combine affordability, innovation, and environmental responsibility. From budget-friendly EVs to premium electric vehicles, the company aims to serve a wide range of drivers. Its continuously evolving hybrid technology is also part of that strategy. BYD is working to deliver a complete electric mobility experience, whether for daily commuters, performance enthusiasts, or drivers who need capability for more rugged terrain. The road ahead looks promising. With global expansion plans, advancements in battery technology, and a commitment to accessible pricing, BYD is positioning itself as one of the most influential players in the EV revolution. What truly sets BYD apart is its ability to combine high-tech innovation, affordability, and sustainability in one cohesive strategy. As it continues to push boundaries in battery development and clean energy solutions, the rest of the automotive industry may have no choice but to adapt. BYD's vision isn't just about building cars, it's about reshaping the future of transportation itself. As the company continues redefining what's possible in the electric vehicle space, its innovations in hybrid systems, design, and energy technology are helping to transform the global EV landscape. Sustainability and affordability are no longer opposites. With BYD, they move forward together. And if current momentum is any indication, the most exciting chapters of this journey are still ahead.